Are you new to VR or Eclipse Creator? We're here to assist you in getting started. After uploading your protocol to the headset, ensure you've set a safe boundary and enabled hand tracking. You can use the wrist menu to reset the user interface position, quit the program, or recenter the workspace to fit within your boundary. Next, launch Eclipse Creator and verify that your license key is valid. Tap onto a collection to gain access to your list of protocols. Scroll to your desired protocol, then tap it to load it in the headset. Use the user interface to navigate through your protocols. You can also reposition the interface by grabbing the highlighted edges. Certain equipment, containers, and consumables can be moved by grabbing and snapping them into place. Smaller objects can be positioned using a pinch gesture. Other interfaces, like touchscreens, instrument panels, buttons, or switches, work with a simple tap or press using your index finger. Lids can be opened as well using the point gesture. If unsure of an object's name, functionality, or features, a descriptive pop-up will appear by hovering your hand over it. Once a snap slot appears, release the object to lock it into place. This technique can be used to connect objects like tubing ends to filters. Tubing allows for advanced manipulation, where you can interact with 3 areas of the tube to adjust and position it as needed. Pipetting tools function like their real-world counterparts in regards to their expel and withdraw methods. Micropipetting uses your thumb, and serological pipetting uses both index and middle finger to trigger actions. Single-use plastics and disposable consumables such as filters, pipettes, and centrifuge tubes can be retrieved from dispenser boxes by using a pinch or grab interaction. Pop-ups will indicate whether a consumable is new or used. Watch for the warning pop-ups, as they highlight incorrect laboratory technique or hazardous practices. These basic tools enable Eclipse Creator users to perform essential tasks and combine interactions, adapting the system to their protocol's requirements. The choice is yours with Eclipse Creator.